Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is January 20th, 2025. We have some disappointing news. AMD has confirmed that the Radeon RX 9070 series, or 990 series, or 9000 series, whatever you want to call it, will be launching in March. Yes, not this month in January, not next month, February, but in March. So this is really, really disappointing news. And this news comes from David McAfee, who I believe works for the Ryzen and Radeon division. And he tweeted out saying, Radeon 9000 series hardware and software are looking great, and we're planning to have a wide assortment of cards available globally. Can't wait for gamers to get their hands on the cards when they launch, when they go on sale in March. So yeah, this tweet was sent out a few hours ago. As you can see, it's from January 20th, 2025. Yep, let's read the article from Video Cards. AMD has finally provided an update. The company, through David McAfee, VP and GM, that's right, Vice President and General Manager of Ryzen CPU and Radeon Graphics, confirmed today that the new Radeon series will be released in March. This puts an end to speculation about an announcement this week. Yeah, it was actually rumored and that they're gonna announce it, do the standalone Radeon event this week. I think it was supposed to be tomorrow. I think the 21st. That's what the rumor's stating, and I think that puts an end to those rumors. The article goes on to say it appears AMD has adjusted its plans as the cards were originally scheduled for release this month. However, NVIDIA's announcement of the GeForce RTX 5070 series launching in February may have influenced AMD's decision to delay. McAfee's announcement is likely to cause some confusion among GPU enthusiasts. Retailers have been stocking these cards since early January, and we have confirmed that some reviewers received them as early as late December. Imagine waiting with a new GPU without drivers for 2.5 months or so. I'm not sure if this has ever happened before. And honestly, it's never happened. I don't think it's happened before. Thus far, AMD has announced only 2 SKUs so far. The Radeon RX 9070 XT and the Radeon RX 9070 non-XT version. The company has not confirmed the name of the GPU these models will use. However, a render of the processors was shown. Unofficially, it's Navi 48. In terms of specs, ASUS and other board partners have confirmed that both models feature 16 gigs of GDDR6 memory. The good news is, once officially released, the series should have large stock available. So hopefully AMD won't disappoint with pricing, and FSR4 will be ready as well. I mean, that is kind of the positive news on that. But do you see how AMD has to wait to see what NVIDIA does? AMD has to wait to see what NVIDIA prices will be. It's actually pretty sad because NVIDIA doesn't care. NVIDIA will announce anything they want at any time, at any price range. They'll do anything. They don't care because they really are so confident in their products. They come out right out the gate. Boom! Here's our best card you can get right now, the 5090. They don't wait. They don't like to wait and release the mid-range first or the bottom SKU first. They just go right out the gate with their best, most powerful product, and then they start releasing the lower end products, right? And yeah, sometimes they do have like even a higher version than like a TI. They could 4080 Ti or 5090 Ti. They could do that if they want to. Honestly, they can really do that if they want to. But AMD has to wait for Nvidia. And like this article stated, reviewers already had the card. Stores, retailers had the card already in stock. All they were waiting for was the announcement. And AMD seems to have pushed the announcement back, and they've even pushed the release back. So March. It's kind of really, it's disappointing, man. But I guess they're gonna have large stock available. But here's the thing: you can have large stock available. Doesn't mean people are gonna buy the card. It doesn't mean you're gonna sell those stock. You know. And who knows? Maybe AMD is gonna fumble on the pricing. The 5070 MSRP is $750. AMD has to sell their cards $200 cheaper, or else they're not gonna sell. AMD really has to sell low. They have to sell low. That's what they don't understand. They always mess up at the prices. People say there's no bad products, there's only bad prices. AMD, understand. You're not gonna compete with Nvidia. It's over. You know, it's gonna be really hard. You have to really sell your products at a very cheap, not $50 less, because that's not gonna do anything. Not $100 less, $200 less if you really want to sell and gain market share. But you know, that's all for today, folks. Let me know when you let me know what you think in the comments. I'm disappointed, but I'm not surprised. You know, every new generation, Nvidia whoops AMD, Radeon. Every generation, and every generation, people on YouTube and everywhere you'll read this, they'll say the Nvidia killer. You know, the AMD, the next AMD GPU is going to be the Nvidia killer, and poor Volta and all this stuff. And every generation, Nvidia releases their GPUs, AMD releases their GPUs. Nvidia has better features, better performance, and even when they kind of like match performance, Nvidia still sells more. So Nvidia just dominates. They dominate AMD all across the board. They don't even bother showing AMD in their benchmarks. They just show them, like, AMD compares, Nvidia, they benchmark their video cards against their other video cards. It's almost like AMD doesn't even exist to them. But yeah, that's all I have to say, folks. What's honestly good about this news is that Intel Arc B570 GPUs are going to sell more. Sorry, B580 and B570. They're going to be selling more because they're the new generation, so-called, and people are going to flock to them more since AMD has nothing to release for 3 months. So, thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Take care. Peace.